Here I cut 4 thick slices of cabbage, just like this. Let's place these slices on a baking dish. I've already lined it with parchment paper, nothing sticks, and it makes cleanup easier. This cabbage is going to be delicious, trust me. Let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out. Set it aside for now. In a small bowl, let's add 2 tablespoons of oil, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Marmite. Brings a bold, savory flavor that makes this dish even more irresistible. It truly enhances the overall taste. Mix it well. Now, using a kitchen brush, let's coat the cabbage with our prepared sauce, just like this. Make sure to cover it well, don't leave anything behind. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's get started on the next step. 1 ounce of green onions or parsley if you prefer. 2 cloves of minced garlic. Zest of 1 lemon. 3 tablespoons of oil. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 1/4 teaspoon of Korean red pepper flakes. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Give it a good mix. This topping is absolutely delicious. The freshness of the lemon and the hint of spice create a perfect balance of flavors. Our cabbage is ready. Not only is this dish tasty, but it also looks amazing. For that extra special touch, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of yogurt on top. And to finish, our flavorful topping. Look how beautiful it is. This will impress any guest. Try it out and let me know what you think. Let's cut a piece. Look at that. So delicious. Hope you love it.